Naghahanap ka ba ng house and lot in Dasmariñas, Cavite? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Located in Langkaan, Dasmariñas, near Governors Drive, SM Dasma, and Robinsons, Palapala. Tara, samahan niyo ako at itutur ko kayo. Pagpasok ay isang malawak na living area. This is the kitchen area. The guest room or den. Na may toilet and bath. The service area. Tara, check naman natin ang second floor. The lot area is 96 square meter and the floor area is 119.1 square meter. Ito ang bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Common toilet and bath. And the master's bedroom. Na may access papuntang balcony. Toilet and bath. The TCP of this house is 5.5 million plus with a reservation fee of 25,000 pesos. Only 10% down payment, payable up to 12, 18, or 24 months. And this is available via bank or in-house financing. The parking area. For more info, contact this Facebook page or this number.